Digital transformation is the secret weapon of managers today. They expect it to breathe new life in the organization and boost performance. With the ubiquity of digital technology and prevalence of the internet, it comes naturally that digitalization is both a necessity and a solution to many problems. This is true. But to succeed, we need to understand the challenge. Managers often consider digital transformation a simple technical modernization exercise. Yet, organizations often struggle to realize expected benefits from implementing systems from the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Transformation projects stuck. Systems making others successful prove useless in their case. Projects derail, burn resources, and generate more problems than they solve. Why organizations often struggle with these simple technical projects? Because they choose the wrong approach. Their perspective is wrong. They want a quick solution, a simple investment in technology. Managers often look at digital transformation as replacing some obsolete machine with a new one. They render transformation a simple system implementation project. In this video series, I show why this approach is wrong. I start with explaining what digital transformation is and why it is not a simple technical project. I show how deep is the effect on organizations and what role IT should play. Then we size up the digital transformation endeavor, exploring its entire reach. We look below the waterline to see the total mass of the iceberg. We understand the role of technology in the transformation, and we see how far beyond we must look to succeed. Last, we look at how should we define digital transformation programs and projects, and how should we manage them. This video series is only a primer to digital transformation. I cannot discuss topics in detail, but it helps to avoid the trap causing most trouble in digitalization, taking transformation as a technical project. I also show that digital transformation is a lot more exciting. Systems consist not only of hardware and software. People, human interactions, and processes are far more important. If we explore these dimensions, we have a better chance to succeed. Enjoy the exploration and see what are the genuine sources of the benefits of digital transformation.